sorry, it's been a long time. I upload video like 1 month ago. Yeah, a lot of things, academic and the likes. I'm very sorry about that. So thank God I'm back again. And in today's, I'll be teaching you something wonderful, something unique. And what I want to be teaching you is how to build a sneakers website. I built a website yesterday, and so I posted it on my status. And people were saying, "Wow, this is nice." And can you teach us how to build this kind of website? I feel like, okay, let me do a video on it. So, and that's why we're here. So all I need you to do is to have your jotter with you, have your words, have your pen with you, and then follow my step, look at what I do the same thing, and achieve the same result. And aside that, again, I have a gift for you guys. Everything I use to build this website, like the picture, the stuff, the folder of the picture, and everything I use, I'm going to be giving out for free of charge. Free, I mean free. So I'll be putting the link in the comment section so that you can just download it and make use of it. So guys, stay with me to the end of this video, because at the end of this video I will also be giving you another gift again that will help you to build a website easily. So guys, without wasting much of time, let me show you the site we want to build. Are you ready? So let's go. Now, this is sneakers website. It's a website whereby you can build your what's it called? You can use it to build for those who sell shoes, any type of shoe and you can also use it to build for your any e-commerce website. It's also an e-commerce website. So for example, we have shoes, sneakers, or this is it. And can you see it? So this is site. Let us say we want to order. Let us do some little. Let us say we want to order now. We can click on select option. So once you click on this select option, it's going to take you to where you can select the shoe you want. And in this kind of this place, we have the shoe where you can choose your color, you can choose your size. So I'm going to be teaching you how to build everything. How to build everything. You can choose your size, any size you want, and you can choose the color, any color you want. So guys, and after that you proceed to check out and the like. So without wasting much of time today, let's go to the site. Let's start building. We don't really have much time to waste here today, and I don't want this video to be long. So this is the site we want to use. So this is it. In an empty site. Can you see nothing is there? So the first thing first, I like to take my teaching step by step. So if you know me very well, you know I teach step by step. One of the first thing we need to do first is to go and install themes, the themes we want to use. And if you have been following my video for a couple of times, you will understand fully what themes mean. A theme is like a layout of a website, or like a foundation of a website, or like a should I say layout or outlook of how a website will look like. So without wasting much of time, let's go into this and let's do something. So, and I would like to clean my dashboard. I like my dashboard to be neat and okay. So let me clean here. Let me just take all this thing away, and then we move. So guys, this is my screen. Yeah, my dashboard is cool now. The first thing you need to do first is to install a themes. And guys, guess what? The theme I'm using, this is the first time I'm using it. Seriously, I am using Oceanwp. If you know me very well, you know I don't use anything except Astra or Cadence. But in today's tutorial, we're going to be using another free themes. Come on guys, I love free themes, so I make a research on the best free themes that can help me to achieve the best result. So let's go. So click on add new. So when you click on add new now, what do you need to do? Come on, just go straight here. So when you come here, just type Oceanwp. Oceanwp. So let's wait for it to load out the script, the themes for us, so we could make it. Okay, sorry, I think I need to put a space here. Yeah, Oceanwp. Oh, sorry. What's happening? Oceanwp. Let's see. Oh. I don't know, maybe I didn't get the name correctly, but I know I'm gonna see it here. Let me just come here and scroll down. Oceanwp. Yeah guys, I'm sorry, I was the one that actually typed something. It's Oceanwp. Can you see OCEAN? Oceanwp. So in case, I think I have the name here. Okay, let me just clean. Yeah, OC, this is it. Now this is the theme we want to be using for our sites. So all you need to do now is that when you search for the name of the themes you need to click on install. And if you know very well, when you are installing anything on WordPress, the next thing you need to do after installation is to activate. So what we're going to be doing now is to activate the themes. Now, after activating any themes, if it is a themes that has a starter template, they will tell you, oh, we have a starter template. But if it doesn't have any starter template, they will tell you, okay, no problem. But like this now, they say, oh, you need to install and activate Oceanwp. Oceanwp is just like an additional plugin that make Oceanwp to work very well. So what we're going to do is that we're going to click on install and activate. And guys, let me tell you the truth. This site, we are going to build it from scratch. We are not using any template. Seriously. So guys, today's tutorial will be full of fun and enjoyment. So guys, we are done with this. What is the next thing do we need to do? After you install your things, you need to go and install a plugin. But before we install our plugin that we'll be using to build this website, let's look at the work of these things. Let's look at what does this thing does to our website. Come on, see the way this was what we have before. But let's check the new layout now. Let me refresh and let's check the new layout. Oh, let's wait for it. Hello guys, can you see it? This is the new layout now. It still don't make any much sense, but at least it's quite different and look cool like this. Okay, let's continue. We have a lot of things to do. So let's go to the plugin. So just come here to plugin and click on add new. We'll be needing some like 4 plugins. I'll put in the name here. We'll be needing Elementor, WP Form, WooCommerce, and Classic Widget. So that are the 4 plugins we'll be needing. So without wasting much of time, you can either scroll down to look for Elementor, and if you don't want to scroll down, you can just do what? Just come to this place and search Elementor. So immediately you type the name here, it's going to load out any name that has this kind of stuff. And can you see this is the Elementor we're looking for, and this is what we need. Just click on install now. So immediately you click on install now, the next thing you need to do now is to do what? Don't activate it yet. So let's go and install all the plugins, then we activate them at once. So the next plugin I want to install is WooCommerce. Now this is our WooCommerce store. So now this WooCommerce is what we enable us to do, to be able to buy and sell. And don't forget that we are dealing with selling of shoe. We are selling shoe, and we need a plugin that will allow us to do our buying and selling. So if not, on the network should have displayed the picture here. So but once you type the WooCommerce, the first one you see is what you need to install. So click on install now. And once you are done, once it's installed, let's search for the next plugin. That will be WP Form. Let's wait for it to install. Now the stuff has actually installed. Let's search for WP Form. Now when you type this, which is the WP Form, it's going to load out this for you. But all you need to do now is to click on this is the one we need. Can you see? By WP Form. We can't be waiting for the network is not that actually good, so you should have seen the picture, but we can't be waiting for all this kind of stuff because I don't want this video to be long. So just click on this installed one. Can you see? Contact form by WP Form. That is what we need. Just click on install now and let's wait for it to install. Then after you install your WP Form, the last thing we'll be needing is what we call Classic Widget. What is the function of this Classic Widget? The function of this Classic Widget is very simple. It's the one that will allow us to have something like this, the footer, that will make our footer look like this. So guys, let's go and do the same thing. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna search for Classic Widget. Yeah, now we're searching for Classic Widget. This is the one you are going to install. Can you see it? Can you see this color? Just make sure you install this by WordPress contributor. So just click on install now. So after installing this, we are done with everything we need to install as a plugin. Sorry, all we need to do now is to go to install plugin. Can you see it here? Now this install plugin will show us all the list of plugin we have installed. So we don't really need to do much, just since these are the list of all the plugin we have installed. Don't forget, we have not installed any of them. we have not installed, we have not activated this, we have not activated this, we have not activated this, we have not activated this. So what we need to do now is that the first thing we need to do is to click on this, because this one comes automatically with what? With WordPress. Immediately you install WordPress and this. And I'm going to delete them because I don't need them. So I'm going to click on this bulk action and I'm going to click on delete because I don't need them, and click on apply. So yes, I don't need them again. So it's going to automatically delete them. Now immediately delete them, I'm going to click on here and I will untick this. Now what I want, can you see it has tick this, tick this, tick this, and tick this. What I want to do now is I want to activate them so that I can be able to use them. It's just like when you have an app on your mobile or your phone and you did not activate it, you did not activate the app will not be able to function. Likewise, this plugin, if you did not activate them, they will not be able to function the way you want it to function. And that is why we are doing all these things. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. Come on. We just started. Let's continue. So click on apply. So once you click on apply, it will activate every plugin for you, and then we are good to go. Then what next do we need to do? You might be thinking, what next again? What next again? Can you guess it? If you can guess what I want to do next without saying it, drop it on the comment section. Let me see. Maybe you get it right. So guys, let's continue. Now the next thing I want to do now is that I hope you have dropped your comment section. So okay, the next thing is that if you look at this place, we need to create our menu. Don't forget I said we're going to build this site from scratch. We need to create our menu. We need to create home, shop, contact us, my account. All this is our menu. We need to create our menu. Now let's start. The first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to come to this place. I'm going to create 2 page. The 2 page I want to create now is this 2 page, home and contact us. Don't worry, you'll be surprised about the other page. Don't worry about the other page. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to come to pages. I'm going to click on add new. So when I click on add new, what I'm going to do now is that I want to create, don't forget, I want to create just 2 pages, the home page and the contact us page. Contact us page is very simple. That is where you talk about, okay, you can contact us through this other place, stuff like that. While the home page is, the normal page that people ought to see. So let's wait for it to load so that we can create the page. So guys, can you see it now? We are here now. So all we need to do is just click on this close and come here and put in your home. Just type home, H-O-M-E. Now, once you type your home, I'm going to disable this. Okay, let me just leave here for now. So I'm going to come to this place. Can you see it? Default template rather. Click on it and change the default template to Elementor full width. Yeah, that's what we need. And click on publish. Oh, cool. Okay, we need one more page again, and that is contact us. The page is actually done. So let's come here to go and add another page. So let's wait for it to load. Now we are here and this is the home page we just created now. So let's add another page. Click on add new. So once you click on add new, it's going to take you to where you can add in another page, and that is our contact us page. So let's wait for it to load. Now can you see guys? So just come here and type your contact us. Now immediately you click on contact us, you see this notification. It's because of the WP form we install. Now that WP form, whenever you notice something that relates to contact, it's going to pop up some things. That's why you see all this notification here. So just come here, do the same thing, change this place, click on this default template and change the default template to what? Elementor full width. So click on publish and publish again. Wow, we are getting there. So we are done with the page we want to create now. There's one thing I also want us to do again. You may be wondering, if you look at this website, very well, you will see that here is the pages. Everything here is page. They are page rather. And if you look at this place, they are also page, but this place are what? Did I call it business categories? Yeah. They are categories. Now, here talk about all the sneakers we sell. Here talking about all the corporate shoe we have, and here talk about all the sandals, all the sandals we have. So you can just take a look at them. Now, we need to also create the same categories for what? For our businesses. Don't forget, we are trying to build something like this. So all we need to do now is, can you see? These are all the categories, all the business show we have. Now what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to go and create these categories. So if you want to do that, just come to your dashboard here. Now under WooCommerce, you will see here, can you see this product? Can you see it? Just come here and come and click on categories. Just click on it. Now immediately you click on this category, it's going to load you to the category page. Now this is where you can create all the categories you want. Now don't forget, this tutorial is created for you to have full understanding about web design or e-commerce website, and that is the reason why I want to take my time to explain every single details for you guys, so that when you go outside there, you are able to proud of yourself and say, I know this thing, I know it. So guys, we are here now. What do we need to do? Let's create our categories first. The first category I want to create is, let me just call it sneakers. Okay, let me just copy this category. I'm going to come here. I'll just paste it here. Sneakers. So if you want to add anything to it, maybe any slug, but I don't have anything I want to add to it, I'll just click on add new categories, because I still want to add another one. The next one I want to add is business shoe. Or let me just come here. Let me create sandal first. The next one I want to add now is, I want to add the sandals. So what happened to my alarm? Now don't forget, the next category we want to create is sandals. So once you click on that sandal, just scroll down here and click on add new categories.